Today, I'll show you how to change page size in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file where you want to change the page size. Once the PDF is open, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Print. In the print window, select Adobe PDF as the printer if you want to create a new PDF with a different page size. Now look for Page Setup, Properties, or Printer Properties depending on your computer. Click it, then choose the paper size you want. For example, you can choose A4, letter, legal, or a custom page size if that option is available. After choosing the page size, return to the print window. Now check the scaling option. If you want the current PDF content to fit the new page size, choose Fit. If you want the page to stay close to the original size, choose Actual Size. For most users, Fit is the easiest option because it adjusts the content to the new page size. Next, check the preview on the right side. Make sure the content is not cut off and the layout still looks correct. When everything looks good, click Print. Acrobat will ask where you want to save the new PDF. Choose a folder, enter a new file name, and click Save. This creates a new PDF with the selected page size. If you want more advanced control, you can use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Go to Tools, search for Preflight, and open it. Preflight can resize pages more directly, but it is more advanced and may not be available in every version. For a simple page size change, printing to Adobe PDF is usually the easiest method. So, to keep it simple, open the PDF, go to File, then Print, choose Adobe PDF, select the new paper size, use Fit if needed, then print and save the new PDF. And that's how you change page size in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.